Hi guys, today I will explain how to sell Ethereum in Binance. This process is really simple, and the only thing is open the Trust Wallet application. Once it will be open, let me scroll down, and in my list, we have to find Ethereum. And here is the application. But what if you did not find it? Scroll down and tap on the option Manage Crypto. And here you have to search for USDT Ethereum. So if you want to add, then click on the search bar and write USDT. After writing USDT, here is the Ethereum. Simply turn it on, then it will be added to your list. Now here, click on it. Now in order to sell, we have to click on this option Sell. And here enter the amount of which you want to sell in Trust Wallet. And also, you can change the payment method by which you want to get the payment. Once you've done everything, tap on the option Sell. Currently, I don't have enough balance, so that's why this option is disabled. But once you will write, if you have balance, then it will be available, and by clicking on it, your order will be in queue, and you will sell your Ethereum within few minutes. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.